meteorologist Nikki-Dee.
We're coming up on 4:50. We've got a lot of information to go over in a very short period of time. So if you can, stop what you're doing, listen up. Right now, things don't seem too bad. They're just hot and humid. Probably reminds you a lot of yesterday because it is very similar. Our current temperature is 74 degrees. Your dew point slightly higher. It is very muggy. You've got 73 over in the Tri-Cities, 74 in Fredericksburg, 71 in Louisa, along with Farmville, despite having mostly clear skies just west of I-95. But if we continue to go to the west, you'll notice we've got a very large system. It's a cold front accompanied with a short wave. When you put the two together, major changes are going to occur. So ahead of the system, temperatures are going to spike. They're going to go up real fast. I'm talking in the low 90s. However, it's going to feel like we're in the 90s already by lunchtime. That's how hot and how humid everything is. So be prepared to be drinking a lot of water starting right now. As you go into the afternoon, by the peak heat where we will be hitting temperatures around 93 degrees, it's going to feel closer to 98 in the city. 102 is what it's going to feel like in Williamsburg, 99 in West Point, 97 in Tappahannock. And then that cold front accompanied with the short wave will move through, dropping temperatures quickly. In order for that to happen, it's got to be a pretty large system. So when it comes to the timing of this, I look for things to start to develop around 2, 3 o'clock. Right along the state line. That's where we do have the largest threat for the strongest storms to take place. Eventually, all of that's going to continue to move its way north and east. As it does, it's going to develop around 5 o'clock up and along I-95. Not the best timing. A lot of people are out on the roadways. Then it's going to continue to move its way into the northern neck before exiting out. We could see a few lingering showers as we head around 10 o'clock. These should not be severe. Your severe threat really is going to take place from 3 going into 8 o'clock before it will exit. The highest threat for these strong storms right along the state line, which is highlighted for you in the orange. You'll notice in the yellow that we do have that slight risk. Main threats, damaging winds. If you've got decor outside, you've got your patio furniture, go ahead and bring it in this morning so you don't have to worry about it later. Also, we do have that slim chance for an isolated tornado. It is very slim, but it's still there. So temperatures, very hot, humid. It's going to feel like the triple digits. And as soon as we hit that peak heat, that system's going to move through, change the game. Going into Friday and Saturday, it's going to be so stinking nice outside. Friday, yes, it's breezy, but humidity is low, along with Saturday. And then we kick it up a notch going into next week with the 90s returning, along with that heat index, Kristen, near the triple digits.
Oh, boy.